Okay, so you gotta hear this before visiting Super Nintendo World now that the land is officially open for everyone to visit at Universal Studios Hollywood. Due to capacity, you may not be able to just walk into the land. First, you may need to access a virtual queue inside the Universal Studios Hollywood app. So all you gotta do is open the app and then tap virtual line. It'll bring you to this page and then you can tap virtual line venues and then you'll see this page, and if Super Nintendo World is taking reservations, you'll be able to tap here and enter the number of people in your party. Now, it's also important to note you will need to be inside Universal Studios Hollywood to access the virtual queue for Super Nintendo World. And when your time is called, you'll get a notification and you can head down to the lower lot to start experiencing it. But my last tip is, if you don't want to worry about the virtual queue and you want to secure your spot, you can actually buy early entry starting at $20 per person. This early access ticket is found on Universal Studios Hollywood's site. You will still need a ticket, but it gets you an hour early entry into Super Nintendo World before the park opens. But what would I do? Personally, I would try to get to the park about 30 to 45 minutes beforehand and just try to be one of the first inside Super Nintendo World.